take a picture of each side. See what you do. See if we can find a way to solve the problem.
Showing off.
I'm gonna do a little showmanship, so like kind of like a magician, saying there's nothing up this sleeve, nothing up this sleeve. We're gonna go off and solve it. They're limited to about 400 degrees, plus or minus 400 degrees. All right. A lot of that's to do with just how the wiring runs inside. There's no slip rings.
How many axes?
So each arm has got 7. And then if we add on the parallel grippers on the end, those are servo driven too. So we're talking 16 total that we do in coordinated fashion. A lot of dexterity.
So is this an algorithm of some sort, or it's programmed in kind of all these different combinations trying to
Figure it out. So
figure it out, or
we're taking the picture of each side first, and then what that does, that gives us where everything is. Yep. And so then we've got a solver running in the software. So we feed that data to the solver. The solver gives us the recipe of moves. It says, okay, we've got to do all these moves to do it. So we pass that information to the robot, and then the robot goes through and executes the move. So we've got to pre-program the moves, you know, like a twist on this side, a twist on this side, and the solvers is actually calling those moves.
so that we're sitting right now is an old position. That's always where that will be at all times.
Yep. And if you notice, it always grabs in the center to stabilize it. So it's the cube's never going to move physically. It's just
You don't ever see the cube kind of walking a little bit from one to the other. It tends to always stay in the same spot. And even just like a little bit off each time, you know, it's like kind of walking away from the tip of the gripper or something.
No.
It's almost done.
Almost done. Yeah, this robot, it's actually got a point-to-point repeatability of 0.02 millimeters, so 20 microns. So if you want to see 20 microns walk, my gosh, your eyes are a lot better than mine.
Well, after time, you're doing it over.
Well, it's doing it an absolute kind of move. So if we're here, I'm going to move to this point. Okay, I might be 0.02 millimeters off, but I'm going to grab it here, and now I'm going to come back to this point. So you're not really going to see that accumulate.